What you doing? Looking for something delicious? I'm sure you will find some. Magpies are so beautiful, but they can be very naughty too. Okay, this in front of us, it's called the Chatham Naval Memorial. I don't know a lot about it, but I know it commemorates those who fought in the First and Second World War, and close to 19,000 names are inscribed on it. And that's just from the local area, so wow, I'm gonna go closer. Let's see if it's open. Yep, it looks like it is open. Let's go in. Okay, we have more details here. You can pause the video and read it. I'm going to walk around it. Not the right direction, because I can see it's the names from 1942. Oh, it's overwhelming to see all these lives lost. Those who have no grave. And the view over Chatham from here. It's the first time I've been, and I'm pretty sure it will not be the last. Spotted a couple of wagtails, I think. Oh, you're so fast. There's two of them. I don't know if it picks it up because they're very far from me. And the sky with the clouds and the hiding sun just looks amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. This is the other side. Continues with the endless names. All the way back to the gate. There you are. Ah, where did you go? That's the other one. Other than the names of the heroes, you can also see the places where they were, from Norway to Dunkirk to Malta, Sicily, going all the way to the East Indies. Burma, and so forth. Okay. I didn't expect to visit here today, so I have not looked it up properly at all, but I'm glad I ended up here. The sun is just hiding there. There you are. And this beautiful green land I've been walking through, it's called the Great Lines Heritage Park. Again, first time here, and I'm not sure where I end up. Let's see. Some beautiful holly berries from last autumn. And there's more and more flowers and blooms everywhere. It's the very beginning of spring when I'm filming. I'm not quite sure when I'll be sharing it. Maybe a little bit later. We'll see. Okay, so I came around there, and I'm just gonna include this so you can see. There's a really nice aerial photo of the area, and also this to Fort Amherst, which I'm gonna show you in a different video. A muddier path. I think you can hear the traffic from the main road at the bottom of the hill, but I could also hear lots of happy birds. Sing for us. A few gulls passing by. The river Medway is very close. It's just down at the bottom of the hill again. Wrong direction, guys. Go back. You can see the different shades of green. The darker ivy from last year, and all these fresh green sprouting up. Beautiful. And here are the birds. I'm glad to see that there's some shrubbery, because that means that in a few months I'll have plenty of little creatures to come and find and show them to you. Had to do a close-up of the different shades of green. It's just so pretty. Found the tree in full bloom. I think it is a type of wild plum or something of the sort. I'll look it up when I get home. There's some steps going down, but I don't want to go that way now. I want to continue on this other path. Alrighty. Now I'm not sure, because as I said, it's the first time I'm wandering through here, but this way, behind the fence and going on around, is the Fort Amherst bit. It is the most complete defense fort from the time of the Napoleonic Wars. So that's gonna be something interesting. As I said, I'm gonna show it to you in another video. And we're gonna have some amazing views in a minute. I'll stop. But before I show you the view, I'm gonna show you, can you see the cannons peeking out? And then there's some there as well. Okay, there we go. That's part of Chatham. These flats in front of us are not very interesting, but I like how much you can see. And the river Medway in front of us. It's making its way gently towards the sea. This area has a lot of history, and there were dockyards further up my right. I'm gonna take you there as well on another day. There's gonna be a lot of exploration coming up, and I can't wait. I just need good weather Today it's finally nicer because we had so much rain. I'm really fed up with it. Okay, I can't help myself not to show you some more of the wall of the fortress. I'm loving the colors on it again. You can see the old and new green. Okay, one more time. You can see that beautiful building with a green cupola. That's one of the theaters of Chatham. It's being renovated at the moment. Then there's a little harbor, or I don't know what you call it. It's just literally boats can anchor and stop for a short time. And in the distance, I'll try to zoom in, but you can actually see Rochester and the tower of the cathedral, and very close to it is also Rochester Castle. Now that's another adventure for yet another day. This is cool. And I just spotted an old-fashioned well down there. I wonder if it's still functioning. I'm a little ant, lost in the jungle. And I see cannons again. And we can go closer. Let's have a look. I'm gonna tell you more about all of this, as I said in the video dedicated to it. I must include some gorgeous moss. Look at that, so many different bits and lichens. Gorgeous. This is what I wanted to show you. Just sometimes maneuvering the camera, it's not the easiest. Okie dokie. I can see the gate, so I'm close to the exit. I hope you enjoyed today's wandering. I have actually not planned any of it. It was just a random happening of me wandering all over the place. But I love it when I encounter unplanned and unexpected things, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Have a lovely day. Bye!